Mandolins hum a soft serenade. The old man remembers the love that they made. His voice like the wind, rasp low and divine, a time machine tune from another design. Oh, the summer breeze sings through the olive trees, La Dolce Vita, alive with ease. With every note, the past comes alive. An Italian summer where memories thrive. White linen shirts, the scent of the sea, laughter and whispers under cypress trees. A villa stands proud, its walls worn and wide. Beneath the same sun, the old man sighs. The breeze is sweet on the Amalfi shore, a whisper of wealth from days of yore. The vines embrace the ancient stone, a life of excess, yet always alone. The gelato drips in midday heat, cobblestones sing beneath my feet. A gondola glides, serenade in tow, through Venice dreams where secrets grow. Oh, old money skies forever aglow, palm trees and pleasant trees, lovers below.